What can Affinity Designer 2 do? How to make clip art. So, the first thing you want to do is upload the image you want to use to make your clip art. And then the next step is to outline with the pencil tool. You can use the hotkey N to select it. Once you're done with your outline, you want to join your shapes together. And that's going to require the hotkeys. Well, I mean, it doesn't require the hotkeys, but I use hotkeys. So here's your shape. Example shape anyway. And you're going to use the node tool, select A, or click A. And you're going to take one endpoint and put it on top of the other endpoint. Then, using Command J, you'll join the two together. In 82, joining a shape together makes it duplicate the shape. So you'll have two of those. You can just delete the extra. So now you just have that one. Now that you've joined it, you want to clean up the lines. So you'll use the node tool to edit the lines. When you click on a point in the bar above, you'll have the ability to make it sharp or rounded. And again, you have to remember there is a shape underneath it when you join it. So you have to delete the shapes below it beforehand. So once it's done, you'll clean up the lines. And boom, you've got a nice clean line. Now you need to create shape. So you'll use the shape builder tool, or press S. And the shape builder tool will allow you to turn your shape that you made into a shape if it isn't already one. This step it would be unnecessary if you have a shape that doesn't have windows, but since I do have windows, I make it into a shape. And you'll press the plus sign to make it into a shape. Once that's done, you'll go, make sure you select the image, and you'll turn the image into a shape of sorts by clicking on just one corner. And it should appear over here in the color bar as a color fill. That's how you know that it worked. Once that's done, you'll select both the shape and the image, and you'll use the shape builder tool again, and you'll cut away what you don't want. Press the minus sign, and boom, you've got clip art. So the outline that you're seeing is the remnants of the shape. So all you have to do is just click off of that and you'll get rid of it. And there's your clip art. There's additional things you can do with this once you have it. You can duplicate it. So now you've got two of what you just made clip art of. You can also, conveniently in 82, change the color. But it's going to change the entirety of it because it's viewing the image as a color fill. So changing the color will make a background for your object. And of course, you can use the effects to, I'm going to use a Gaussian blur to enhance that shadow. And that's how you make clip art in 82. Thanks for watching.